Hi friends, welcome to Plantify. Today I will show you winter harvest from my balcony garden. I harvested thrice in last 3 weeks and I will take you through my harvesting journey. Hope you will enjoy. As you know, my morning routine starts with taking care of my balcony garden and spending some time with plants. I really enjoy this quiet time with plants. I water them, prune them, and check them for any pest attack. The joy is more if the day is a harvesting day. This clip is from last week of December, and some veggies and fruits are ready to harvest. This chili plant is growing along the edge of my balcony and is producing a lot. See, not bad, huh? Some beans are also ready to harvest. These are bush type plants, so they don't grow much tall. Cherry tomatoes are not yet ready to harvest, but the spinaches under them could be harvested. I will utilize them as baby spinach. Got a bunch of spinaches, and now I will harvest some methis and some fresh coriander for my dal. And see friends, this is my first day's harvest. 2 weeks passed by and now my strawberries are ready to harvest. Another harvesting day, yay! Now some tomatoes are ready to harvest. I just love to see the different colors of cherry tomatoes in my little plant. I'll use my tomatoes in salad and I'll be 100% sure that I am eating organic. By this time, my another pot is ready with full bunch of corianders, and today I will harvest only half of them. See how fresh the corianders are, and I am already getting the aroma. I have got a bunch of corianders and now it's time to harvest the methis. This time I will harvest the entire pot of methis because some pests are chewing out its leaves. So I thought of harvesting it entirely. See, I have got another bunch of methis. This will go in my methi paratha. After methi, it's time for spinaches. While my fourth batch of spinaches are still growing, the third batch is ready to harvest. Those who already have seen my video on how to grow spinaches, they know that I have already harvested from this basket once before. And this is the second time I'm harvesting from this particular basket. And if you have not watched that video yet, then I am putting the link in the description box and also in the I button, so you may go and watch that. And these are French breakfast radishes. They are tiny small radishes with a spicy flavor. And finally the strawberries. I'm just too excited to grow strawberries in these little pots. They are just 6 inches pots and I'm growing strawberries for the first time. I will definitely share my experiences before the next growing season so that you can also grow strawberries with me next time. See, I am getting standard size strawberries from these little pots. Not bad. This one is not ready yet, it's still yellow, so I will harvest it after a couple of days. And this is my second day's harvest. Spinach, coriander, chilies, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, and the breakfast made out of these. And just after 2 days, some tomatoes are again ready to harvest. So I harvested the cherry tomatoes. I harvested the remaining corianders. Don't worry, I have another pot full of corianders for next day's harvest. The strawberry that was not ready couple of days back is now ready to harvest. Now I am harvesting some mint leaves. This is one kind of mint leaf. This taste of this mint is exactly same as you get in toothpaste or chewing gums. Now I will harvest some curry leaves. I'll prune this curry leaf plant during February so that the plant grows and produces more branches during springtime. And some more mints. This is the regular mint that we use in our regular cooking. And the third day's harvest, some coriander, mints, cherry tomatoes, curry leaves and strawberries. So friends, how do you like it? Let me know in the comment section below. And please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe Plantify if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next week with another video. Till then, bye bye.